This is the great legend, and I am coming at you live. And today we're going to see how we can increase the Xbox One's hard drive space. Now what I have here, fans, is a portable hard drive. This is a 2 terabyte hard drive made by Western Digital. This is the My Passport Ultra. Very good. Western Digital has a lot of great products. We're going to be using this portable hard drive today to increase the space of our Xbox One. The Xbox One internal hard drive is a solid state V2 version 2 of solid state drive, which is a very fast drive that allows us to have that quick power on. You know, not a full reboot where it shows the green Xbox One screen, but when you cut it off and it automatically stays in standby mode, and when you turn it on it just pretty much comes right up. So there's not a lot of load time in solid state drives, but a USB 3's transfer speed, this uses USB 3.0. The transfer speed for USB 3.0 is faster than a solid state 2 hard drive. So we're going to be putting this in today. This is a simple install. All you got to do is there's 3 USB ports on the Xbox One, so we're going to be plugging this one into one of the 2 on the back. Microsoft recommends that you have 2 gigabytes or higher. Actually no, it was 256 gigabyte or higher hard drive, and it has to be a USB 3.0. Right here we have a 2 terabyte hard drive, and it's USB 3.0. And also if you can find them, or if you want to pay the big bucks, you can even go up to 4 terabyte. I think these Passport Ultras only go to about 2, and plus I got this one for like 120 bucks, so it was pretty cheap. You go to newegg.com or your favorite computer outlet store like Fry's Electronics, you can find these pretty cheap. Always look for the best deals if you can. So what we're going to do, pretty much, let me go ahead and unbox this thing so you can see what it looks like. Nothing like a good unboxing is what I always say. And this is a great way if you want to increase the hard drive space. I want to tell you a little bit about it while I'm unboxing it. Well, the way this works is anything that you currently have on your Xbox One, the 500 gigabyte hard drive, if you plug this one in, all that stuff is going to stay there. It'll just stay on the current hard drive, and then your Xbox will play from that hard drive whatever games are on there. But what we're going to do today, we're just going to go ahead and install this hard drive here, and we're going to let it be the hard drive of the Xbox One. Now, why am I doing that? Why waste 500 gigabytes of the Xbox One's internal solid state hard drive? Well, for one, by putting this hard drive on the outside of the Xbox One, we're going to reduce the heat temperature, the internal heat temperature of the Xbox One, and we'll have it'll be easier to work with, because if all your stuff's installed on here, if you ever have to send your Xbox One in for repair, you have all your stuff on this hard drive here. You will still have to download updates and things of that nature. So the hard drive's pretty small, small form factor. I would say maybe this is a 4-inch by 3-inch hard drive with a 1-inch, maybe centimeter and a half on the height here. So very small. It'll be easy. You'll be able to conceal it real nice behind the Xbox One itself. Or if you have a long USB cable, I see Western Digital's cable here is probably about maybe 1.5 feet. We'll see what it looks like here. That's probably about 1.5 feet. Okay. It's got a classic just USB in to it, you know. And the bottom one here, you can see really close. If you look really close, this is a USB 3 and a USB 2. USB 3 and 2 is on here. On the back of the drive, we have where you plug that into. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Want to make sure it's really firmly in there. Okay, there we go. So it's ready to go. So I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, and then we'll see what it looks like plugged in. So stay tuned on the Great Legend Show, where we show you how to increase your Xbox One hard drive space. Okay, so when I plugged it in, it came on and it said it was recognized. So what we're going to do now, we need to format the hard drive to be used here on the Xbox One. So go to Settings, and then you're going to want to go over to System, I believe. And then from System, go over here to Manage Storage. And then you want to manage your external hard drive. 1.8 terabyte, of course. It's really a 2 terabyte, but you know, you lose some, you know what I'm saying. Format for games and apps. Because right now it's just formatted as a Windows drive. You know, if you wanted to have pictures, music, or movies and stuff, you can watch those directly from the drive as its current state. But what we're going to do, we are going to format for games and apps. And let's see, if you'd rather use play music videos, blah, blah, blah. So this is pretty much, this device is going to be used for games and apps. It says formatting the connected external storage device will delete everything on it. So, you know, if you have a hard drive laying around that's USB 3.0 and you no longer use it for apps, pictures, backups, or videos, go ahead and just do format storage device, or do what I did, just buy a new one. Give your device a name. I'm just going to call it external. That sounds good. Install new things here. Keep current location. So what we're going to do, we're going to install all the new things to this unformatted external hard drive. When formatting is done, you'll be able to use the game and apps on external with any Xbox One you plug it into. It will be usable only with Xbox One consoles. So what this also means, you can take this to your friend's house, but in order to play your games, you're going to have to also bring the discs with you, or your friend's going to have a copy of the disc. So this is primarily, for me, it's going to be used for home use only. So we're going to go ahead and format storage device. Now, being 2 terabytes, this may take a while, so... Well, it's already done. Yeah, fella. Hey, fella. All right, so let's see what it looks like. View contents, rename format. Of course, our contents are nothing right now. So let's go B. We'll get back. We'll go to our contents of the internal, and we'll see if we can move one of our games over. Let's move over Minecraft Xbox One. Let's see if we can get. Of course, what does the legend do? Hits the A button like we're going to start playing Minecraft. All right, let me back out of this. Alright, let's go back to my games and apps. Okay, this time we're going to hit that little start button. And we're going to manage game. And, oh my goodness, look at all this Minecraft stuff. So let's manage. We're going to do, actually we're going to just go ahead and do move all. Move all. You're about to move 15 things from internal to external. So we're going to hit move. And I guess it's doing its thing right now. So what we're going to go ahead and do, I'm going to move all my games to the external, but I'm going to leave the basic stuff like the apps and Netflix and all that kind of stuff I'll leave on the internal drive because I'm not really worried about those. It's just the games and apps I'd like to keep separated on the external drive. Plus, I'll have a whole lot more space for games and everything. So if you're looking for that 1 terabyte hard drive on the new Call of Duty Xbox One that's coming out, I guess that's fall of 2014 because I don't know the name of the Call of Duty game. I know it has Kevin Spacey in it. So if you're looking to get that just for the 1 terabyte drive and you want to sell your old Xbox, you may want to think about it and just pick up one of these external USB 3.0 hard drives because in the long run it's probably going to be better off anyway. Alright, so everything's getting copied. This is everything on internal. This is the external over here, so we're getting some over here. Hey, looky there, Evil Huntsman. Special shout out to Cuse Gamer. Evil Huntsman's #1 fan, Cuse Gamer. Alright, so everything's getting copied over. So I'm going to copy over all this stuff. And then I'll show you and I'll conclude the video with some final thoughts. Alright everyone, I'm back again. I'm moving the final game I'm going to move over today for this video. I do have about 4 other games that I'll move later on, but I'm just doing this for right now for the video's purposes. So I'm moving the pinball effects. This is the internal, so it's finishing up, moving all of these tables over to the external over here. So we're going to wait on that. While we wait on that, I'll go ahead and tell you some more stuff that I've learned just by doing this video. So remember the setting at the beginning that said the external, you know, you want to make the external the drive that all your new content gets installed to, blah, blah, blah. Well, that's great. You can do that. And say you still want to keep apps and things like that on the internal. Well, you can take one of these and, you know, you can just press start on it and you can move it. You can move it from external back to internal. I'm not going to do that right now. So you can move things back and forth, which is cool. So with that, instead of just a 2 terabyte drive, it's like you have a 2.5 terabyte drive because you're also including your internal 500 gigabyte SS solid state 2 hard drive. So that's pretty much it, fans. We're going to finish. It's almost done transferring over. Then we'll see how much storage space we still have left on the external drive. And it looks like it's almost done here. It's really getting these tables pretty quick. It's got, what, 7 more tables. 6 more tables.
Hey, I was going to play a game.
Hey, little fella. Let's do this. Let's do this. Transfer all this content over. And then we'll see about getting you some gaming. Just stand right there. Hey, there he is. There he is, a little mini legend right there. No. Oh, man. Yeah, get back in there. Well, might as well say hello. Get on that ottoman there and get up there. Oh, yeah, there he is. Get your head up there a little more so they can see you. All right, duck down a little bit. Hey, fella, there it is. Hey, what's your favorite game to play?
Hey, do you know what's this? This is funny. Hey now, I'm Squidward.
Squidward. What's your favorite game to play?
Minecraft.
Minecraft, yay. Alright, well sit down, okay? We're going to see how much room we saved here. Alright, let's back out of this.
Are those pinball tables games?
Mm-hmm. Okay, now we see games. 0.6%. Let's look at the apps. So our apps, 2.6% used, and that is on the internal. And the games are on the external. 3% used for 7 games. So it's pretty much like having 2.5 terabytes at your fingertips.
That Minecraft is my favorite one.
And Minecraft is his favorite one. Alright, fans. Hope you like this video, and I hope it helps in your decision-making process whether or not to get a external hard drive for your Xbox One. And Mini Legend, we're saying peace out.
Bye-bye. Peace out, God bless, bye-bye.
No, say it again. Peace out.
God bless, bye-bye.
God bless, bye-bye. All right, duck down a little bit. And wave to him. All right.
Now let's make a Minecraft video.